Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two website builder platform, which is Pineapple Builder and Gamma platform. So to get started with a quick overview about these two platforms, Pineapple Builder is an AI powered website builder focused on helping solopreneur, startups, small business launch model one-page site or landing page quickly. It's great for building simple, elegant marketing page and integrate leads capture and basic analytics out of the box. Gamma, on the other side, is not a traditional website builder. It's designed for creating interactive presentation, personal site, pitch desk with the feel of an AI deck with a shareable link or like a web page. It is for storytelling, content first experience that needs to look, publish, and mobile friendly. Talking about what these two platforms are best at, starting with the Pineapple Builder, it is best for founder, freelancers, and the marketers who want to build conversation-focused landing page fast. I'm talking about the Gamma. Gamma is best for professionals, creators, and teams who need a presentation or a personal page that looks like a website. So talking about the overall conclusion about this platform, so you can just choose Pineapple Builder if you need a quick, stylish landing page or a site with leads generation tools and AI help. Then the other side, if you want to present ideals, beautiful, shared content like a live text or need a published portfolio or a pitch format, just go for Gamma AI. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and which of these platforms will be a best option for you. Thanks.